Hello, I'm Will Durrell, and this is David Atkins. David Atkins is our laboratory manager, and I'm the plant manager here. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a tensile elongation test on the product that we're running and show you how to interpret the results for the ultimate KSI of the concrete fiber. The Vibroscope 400 measures the denier, that's the machine on the left, and the one on the right is also made by Vibroscope, and it tests the tensile and elongation. The tensile results will be shown on the final documentation from the machine in grams, and the elongation results will be shown in percent elongation, how much it stretches from the original sample that we put in there. First thing we do is we go out. I made a short video of the line, how the process goes, how it's made, and basically the way that works, it comes out of the die, it's melted. From the first part of the video, you see it being spun upwards to the lubrication assembly where we put a special finish on to draw the material down. It goes through the first set of rolls and into an oven. And the second set, then to the second set of rolls that are actually running faster, we draw this fiber down to get the tensile strength required for the concrete fiber. So this sample that we're doing today is not on your product necessarily. It's made similarly. It's a slightly higher denier product. It's one that we run more prevalent in the company. But it's our product code for this is MND 17, just for reference. The one we sell to you normally is MND 05, which is a shorter cut, smaller denier product. The results, when you look at KSI, are basically the same. The smaller the fiber, the lower the individual tensile strength, but your fiber count's much greater. So that is that's the basic difference between the fiber that we're testing today and the fiber that you'll be getting, that you buy on a normal basis. Okay, what we'll do is David will start by putting a sample in the machine on the left, and we'll get a result. You see there's a weight hanging from the sample. That's for it to remain straight. And basically the way this machine works is it's got a mirror in the back. It's works with it's got a microscope, and it's actually measuring the diameter of the fiber, and then it gives the results as the denier of the fiber. Either way, the fiber itself is measured, and then the results are shown on the screen. That one in particular, that's a 14.82 denier, and now we take the same fiber that he tested then. We're going to load it into the machine with clamps here, the Vibroscope on the right, and we're going to break this fiber. Now this is actually an ASTM certified test machine. You see that as it's now in the process of breaking the fiber. You can see the load value is on the bottom in grams, and the percentage of elongation as the fiber is put under force there is measured the entire time. And over on the computer to the right, you see that it's graphing this information as we go. We'll complete this test and we'll do a few more. We normally do 10 of these. 10 samples, that's by the ASTM test method. The line itself has each bank of dies, there's 24 dies in this machine, and each one of the dies has 6,000 holes in it. And we pull a sample out, and then we take 10 of those individual ends out of that sample to come up with this. So you'll get a machine on the right will give you the ultimate. When it breaks, it quits accumulating the percentage value, and it gives you the ultimate tensile strength of the fiber in grams. you focused on.
Mhm.
Okay, that particular sample there ran at 284% elongation, and the value in grams of break was 38.32. Now that information is automatically uploaded to the computer, and the jaws on the machine at the right are returning. His second sample that he's taken was 15.35 denier, and we're getting the other sample loaded in as soon as the jaws return to the start point. We'll show a couple of these on video. I'm sure that you may get a little bit bored watching the machine at the speed that it runs at. So we'll show about 3 of them, but we're going to complete the 10 and do the printout of the results. And I'll show you how we interpret those results once that's done. can cut it out for a little while and we'll get the other ones.